This is Mrs. Monroe's third grade class, and today is Fraction Friday. We've read the book, and now we're doing the worksheet.
It says here, how many candy bars do you have? How many do we have? One, right? Carefully unwrap the candy bar. Okay. I'm totally unwrapping mine. Okay, now be careful. Don't break it. So because it'll mess it all up. I just kind of pull it.
Okay, open it.
That's our next thing, right?
Can.
Now look, it says break the candy bar in the middle vertically. Now basketball players, they have a good what? Vertical, right? So vertical is how high they can jump up and down. So vertical means up and down, just like basketball.
I have an awesome vertical.
Okay, so look, we're wanting to break it like this.
In half?
In half.
My hands are melting.
We're going to break it in half like this.
I did it. In college they have to do it. I did it. I did a vertical jump. I did it. I usually always break it. I got it. I know I just really good. It's easy for me, but it might not be easy for others.
Okay. How many parts do I have now? Two, right? Put two here. What fractional part is one of these parts? One out of two. Okay, so we have one here, we have two there, and then we have one half. Okay. How many vertical columns are in a candy bar? Okay, so remember columns go up and down. So in one half I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many vertical columns do I have? 4. What fractional part are these two columns? So if I just have 2, okay, you can break this one in half. These two, okay, 2 out of how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 2 would be the fractional part. And how many, sorry, 2 of them, what's the denominator? 2 out of how many columns do we have?
2, 4.
Let's count it, ready? 1, 2, go ahead and break this one up too. 3, 4, right? 4 columns, you got 4 columns? Right?
I did that.
You with me? These two are the same as half, right? The same thing if I broke them in half? The same thing, right? Same thing.
Still whole candy bar.
So, how many 4s are equal to 1 half? How many 4s does it take to make that 1 half? So here's half. How many 4s does it make? 1? 2. 2 out of 4. So 2 4s.
How do we break it? Because I made some.
Just down as 4s is equal to. What was it equal to up here?
1/2.
1 half. You good? I gotta scroll again. Thanks for being patient.
Don't school yet.
Oh, sorry. What? You should have. Stop.
I'm on the show 2 slash
2 4s equals 1 half, right?
So,
Hold on. Wait. Raise your hand. That way.
my stylus isn't working.
Okay. So we just broke the 2 columns, right? Now, you should have 4 columns, right?
Yeah.
So then take those 4 columns, and 2 of them, just 2, break into pieces. So I'm going to take these 2 and I'm going to break them into the little pieces.
Like the small one?
Okay? So now I got 1, 2, 3. It was 1/4 and now it's 3. And I'll break this one. 4, 5, 6. So now I should have 6 pieces and 2 columns left. Okay? You with me?
No, not yet.
How many many pieces did we have? How many little pieces are you supposed to have now? 6, right? How many pieces, if I count all the pieces, I got 6 that are broken up, and then how many pieces do I have left to break up? 6. So 6 plus 6 is what?
12.
So how many pieces do I have altogether? 12. What fractional part is the pieces?
3.
No? How many are broke up? Let's count them. 1 12, 2 12, 3 12, 4 12, 5 12, 6 12. So how many fractional pieces?
6.
Or 6 12. We're going to turn it into 12 centimeters. You can put 6 12. Okay, what is another name for 6 12s then? Is this the same thing as this?
1/2.
There's 6 in this, right? If we broke it up to 6. So it's the same thing as
1/2.
1/2. So 6 12ths is equal to 1/2. All right. So earlier we learned that 2 fourths is equal to 1/2. What else can we multiply 1/2 by to get some other equivalent fractions? What if I multiply by 2? I get what?
6.
No. 1 times 2 is what?
2.
2. 2 times 2 is
4.
4. So I got 2 fourths. Now if I multiply by 3 on the top and bottom, 3 times 1 is?
3.
2 times 3 is?
6.
6. So this first one right here, you put 3, 6. That's equivalent to 1/2. Now, what else can I multiply by? Let's try 4. 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. 1 times 4 is?
4.
2 times 4 is?
8.
So 1/2 is also equal to 4, 8. Let's do 5 for the last one. Okay? So multiply 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So 1/2 would also equal 5. 10. Getting close. Getting close. When 2 fractions equal each other, but they look different. Okay, they're called what? Equivalent. Equivalent fraction.
I have no clue how to spell it.
It's up there. Okay. So, how do I get this 6 to 1? I divide by 1 times what is 6? 6. So 6 divided by 6 is going to equal 2 times what is 12? 6. So 12 divided by 6 is going to equal 2. All right. 2 divided by what equals 1? We can do the inverse. 1 times what equals 2? No. 2. 1 times 1 is what? 2 times what is 4? 2. Or 4 divided by 2 is 2 because that's the inverse. Okay? That's right. We're going to break them all apart. Okay, how many pieces if we break them all apart should we have?
12.
Let's count them. Ready? 1 12, 2 12, 3 12, 4 12, 5 12, 6 12, 7 12, 8 12, 9 12, 10 12, 11 12, 12 12. Hey dude, we're recording. Everyone's got here. 12 12. Is it still a whole candy bar?
Yes.
Yeah, it's the same amount. Right? It doesn't matter if it's wrapped up all fancy like this or like this. It's still going to be tasting good.
One of my pieces broke in half.
All right. Well, don't count that one as a half. This is no longer an equal group. Okay. It'll still be fine.
I can't.
You ready? Okay. It's the best part. You ready? Put 3 12ths and 3 12ths together. What do you get? Let's try. Ready? 1 12, 2 12, 3 12, 4 12, 5 12, 6 12. Okay. So 3 12ths plus 3 12ths is 6 12. You ready?
Yeah.
Eat One 12. There's 12. 2 12s. Brush 2 12s of the day because it's at the end. All right. So I ate my 2 12s. How many 12s do I got left? Let's see. 1 12, 2 12, 3 12, 4 12, 5 12,
6 12, 7 12, 8 12, 9 12, 10 12.
So how many's left? If I took 2 away by eating them, how many's left?
10.
10 pieces are left, right? And 10. Well,
I'd just like everyone to know that my children are more than 6 feet away from the front of the room, and I keep my mask on in case they have questions and I have to go out in the room to answer them.
and 12.
Wait, yeah, we have they're going down.
2 12. So how many? Lost favorite daddy's mouth.
Every single day we should eat chocolate for now. Yeah. Yes.
If I could get paid more, we would.
I'll give you money. How many are we having? 3.
Okay. Let's see.
Done eating 3.
I ate my 3. Did you eat your 3?
Yeah.
No, got to. Okay. You have now eaten 2 and 3 pieces. So how many have we ate? 3 plus 2 is what? 5. And we only have 1 chocolate bar, so we only have 12 pieces, right? Okay.
I wish we had one.
How many pieces do we have left?
7.
Got it. 1 12, 2 12, 3 12, 4 12, 5 12, 6 12, 7 12. Oh, drop one of you. So I have 7 left. So 12 minus 5 is 7. And we still only have 1 candy bar with 12 pieces, so 7, 12. Okay, do we get it?